This is a scarce and early 19th century book about Africa. The spine has dried and gotten chipped over time. There's a little bit of loss to the rear leather at the joint. The cover is a tree calf, a swirled pattern, which is attractive. The binding remains sound. Nice marbled end papers. It is Paris, 1817, a new voyage to the interior of Africa, done in 1810, 11, 12, 13, and 14, by Robert Adams, American of the United States, containing details of the coast and so on, with a map, and it's by the Chevalier de Frasans. And you see here the first part of the text, like so, and then we will open up the map, like so. Here it is, and it's got an imprint. It's engraved by Colin. It's got an 1817 imprint, tiny little bit of loss in the blank margin down here. An indication of the routes taken here by Adams and then by Park, the first and second voyages. The mountains of Kong here, somewhat imaginary, sort of similar to the mountains of the moon over on the other side of the continent, which I believe actually, well, here we see the mountains of the moon right here. Again, a mythical range, as is this, and these ranges move around all over the place throughout time on maps, especially in the 19th century. Sometimes those two ranges are actually joined going straight across the continent. So we see here, the book remains sound, complete, and tight, and it is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.